Welcome to J&J's test video of 9715. This is a 1997 Z3 1.9 manual with a nice little red interior in it. Popped in the front. Door panels to match. Hit there in the nose. That's that old. I think this is an M42. I can't remember off the top of my head. Are these all? Oh, it's underneath here though. Hiding. Sneaky. I don't know if I can get to it. Maybe. Good old BMW. None of that bull crap they make nowadays. Twin turbos and direct injection junk. All right. Well, we got a clock and a cluster. How it should be. Transmission's good. Woo! Gotta be careful about hitting the hood. Smacking some stuff up. But man, these are nice little cars. Oh, come on. Gotta go all the way over that rubber shift knob. Ooh. Squeak. Alright. Let's see if the air still works. It's sticky out. Dash. Maybe. I don't know. 121, 984. I'm not gonna let it run. So, get up here. There we go. Get out this door. And there you go. I think an M42 Z3 manual. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.